Hi guys, in this video I will share you about how you can share Meta Ads Manager access to someone. So let me share my screen and I will walk you through the process. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and search Meta Business Suite. So once you are there, click on the second result. So you will be here. You need to select the business portfolio on which you want to share access of. So once you are here, click on the left bottom side settings. So in the settings, in the users people section, there is the option of invite people. So click on invite people. So once you click, just enter the email ID of the person. I'm putting my email, that is Raman. So once it is done, click enter and click next. So here you need to select the assign access, like you can give basic access, partial access, or you can give a full control to manage the everything of your ad manager. And in the next option, you need to select the Facebook page, the ad count, the all the important platforms accounts you want to share access of. So once it is done, click manage full ad account full control. Manage, give full control and then click next. So once it is done, click continue and then click send invitation. So now we have sent the invitation of our ad account. So this is how you can share your Meta Ads account access to someone else. If you find this video helpful, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Follow me for more digital marketing related content. Thank you.